Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. First of all, we would like to start our presentation by extending our sincere appreciation to Dr. Nuriza, who has guided us as our business mathematics lecturer in this first semester. According to the task that we have been given, we are required to elaborate on one of the topics in this subject, which is annuity. Before we go even further into the presentation itself, I would love to introduce myself to you guys. My name is Namansara Najwa binti Yaakob.
And my name is Quratul Umairah Hisham binti Nur Hisham. So, in this video, we would like to explain about the introductions of annuity and how does it apply to the real life case and also the conclusion of it. First of all, what is annuity? An annuity is a financial arrangement that provides fixed or periodic payments to a person over a specific period or for their lifetime. There's also terms in annuity. The first one is principal or present value, future value or compound amount, nominal interest rate, compound frequent, term, periodic interest rate, and total compounding periods. Annuity comes with various types such as ordinary annuity, annuity due, or perpetuity annuity. But in this video, we only focuses on ordinary annuity. Ordinary annuity is a financial arrangement where a fixed amount of money is paid at the end of each period of a specific duration, commonly used in loans and mortgage, also having a predictable cash flow. Next, we will look forward into formulas in annuity. There's two types of annuity formula. The first one that started with S is actually future value, and the second one that started with A is actually present value. And also, we also provide a formula to find the interest for each of them.
My friend Quratul have explained the formulas to you guys. So now, I will be continuing the presentation by sharing some of the real-life example of how we can apply this concept. Now, let's look at the first situation, which is to find the present value. In this situation, Sarah is planning to renovate her house, but she needs to borrow some money from the bank. She can't afford to pay 500 Malaysian ringgit every month for the next 8 years. The bank said that the interest rate is 5% per year, compounded monthly. What is the amount of loan that Sarah can take today? Since Sarah wants to know how much money she can borrow today based on fixed monthly payments in the future, we can calculate it using present value of an ordinary annuity formula. Here is the calculation for the first situation. Next, let's move on to the second situation, which is missed payment. In this situation, Sarah missed her payments for 5 months. She wants to settle everything on the 6th month. How much do she need to pay? We can calculate it using future value of an ordinary annuity formula. Here is the calculation. Therefore, the conclusion of the scenario is annuity can help Sarah determine how much money she can borrow today for her house renovation, which is 28,692 Malaysian ringgit and 60 cents. And annuity also help her calculate how much she need to pay on the 6th payment if she misses payments for 5 months, which is 3,531 Malaysian ringgit and 15 cents. Overall conclusion of our presentation today is annuities provide a structured way to save or invest, offering predictable income, flexibility for missed payments, and long-term financial security. With that, we hope that our presentation gave you guys a clear understanding on this topic.